Imagine this being your view off of the balcony, looking out to the PGA golf course and being able to watch them tee off and play through a couple holes. You're able to watch the birds through all these trees in the spring. This stunning Huntington home is in the Fields, Frisco with top tier amenities. This home has 5 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Let's take a look. As we enter, it opens up into the main living space. Right off of the front, you have your front office with an extra office nook with a pocket door and Cat 6 Ethernet to set up in here. Along your floating cabinetry, you have lights below. Into the main living space, you have these large glass doors going out to your covered patio. On this side, you have an inset fireplace. And over here, you have your high-end appliances for your outdoor kitchen. On this side, you have a Sub-Zero fridge with your Wolf grill and a high-end updraft above, as well as a single basin sink. Along the patio, you have 2 fans and a wood-style ceiling. A couple of trees out here with AstroTurf below. Right here, you have your front bedroom with a walk-in closet, including a window. And over here, you have your ensuite full bath. Back into the main living space, you have your wine coolers, wine rack, your granite counter and tile backsplash tying in with your kitchen. Your granite countertop has the waterfall style edge. Space for your stools. Your cabinetry flows throughout with your trash pull-out on the right and your hidden dishwasher on the left. Nice large single basin sink. And on this side, you have your high-end Wolf appliance, double ovens, 6-burner gas range with a griddle in between. Nice high-end updraft. Huge windows as well as above. Plenty of cabinetry with your Sub-Zero fridge blending in, leading over to your inset fireplace. Ports all the way up, leading to your chandeliers with exposed wood beams and the overlook from the upstairs balcony. Along this side of the kitchen, it leads into the Butler's pantry with an ice maker, single basin sink, another dishwasher, Sub-Zero fridge, more cabinetry, and then Wolf appliances again. You have your microwave and another oven. Heading through the main living space, down this way, you have your media room. Cabinetry over here, hiding the connections of all your equipment, leading up to the space for your TV. Continuing down the hall, next to the stairs, you have your understairs storage. Next down the hall, You have this half bath. Next to the bathroom is another hall closet. And then it splits into 3 directions. Straight back is your laundry room with your hookups here, single basin sink, storage all along. Off of the backyard, you have your mud entry, where as you enter, you have tile along the floor, leading over to your mud space. On this side, you have your 3-car tandem garage. Across from the garage and the laundry room, you enter the primary suite. Windows out to the side, chandelier above, which flows into the primary bathroom with floating vanities on each side, with your standalone tub, and a large shower with 4 different shower heads and windows out to the back. Over here flows into the primary closet with plenty of racks and shelves all the way along. Nice large size closet. On the opposite side is where you have your toilet space and this extra nook for additional storage. Let's head upstairs. Right off the top of the landing, you enter the first upstairs bedroom. Window out to the backyard with a sitting area. On this side, splits in 2 directions. On the left is your walk-in closet, and on the opposite side, you have the ensuite bathroom. Next, over here, you have double doors into this hall closet. You also have the study hall leading into the next upstairs bedroom. Large window out to the side. And in here is your ensuite bathroom. Over here is your walk-in closet. Connecting this way is an overlook into the main living space with a hall linen closet before the next upstairs bedroom. Window out to the side into your ensuite bathroom. Flows into your walk-in closet. Continuing down the hall, you have a hall half bath. And at the end is your game room with a mini bar. You have your Sub-Zero fridge over here and your Wolf Appliance microwave. Windows out to the front, which leads over to your balcony. If this home and community interests you and you want to know more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. Here's an aerial view of the Brookside Club. We have a playground, pools, meeting area, a gym, and tennis courts with a lake behind it all. And here's what it looks like to walk through the club.